All right, hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Gearhead 2.1 Studio Speaker System. Yeah, actually these speakers, they look small. See how small they look right here? And you have the woofer here. They look small, but they actually, they really give out a wallop of a sound. They really do. They fill up the room. They're really small. I was very surprised to hear that they sound so, great, actually. What I use them for is usually when I'm exercising, I like to put some music on my cell phone and play it on my cell phone. It has a 3.5 jack that you plug in. It really does well. It comes with these two magnetically shielded satellite speakers here, along with this bass Reflex wooden subwoofer. Now this is wood here. It's made of wood. And this is your volume adjuster right here. And the speaker is on this side right here. You see? Very nice. And I've had this for, oh God, it has to be 3 years now, and it's still going well. I like it a lot. It's done me well. I use it while I'm working out. I'll just set it up, keep changing the song, or I'll have a playlist going on my cell phone, and it does the job. And I work out in my garage, and the garage is pretty big. It's a 3-car garage, and it fills the whole room with sound. And it's very, very good. Like I said, I was very surprised. The sound came out so clearly, So, yeah. This can be used for any kind of listening device with a 3.5 jack, PCs, MP3 players, cell phones, anything like that. I actually let my sister use this for a party she was going to have for her kid, and that party was outside, and it was like in the backyard, and the backyard is pretty big, and it really blasted music throughout the whole yard. I wasn't, but my sister was very, very surprised that it actually worked, because she was in trouble. She didn't know how she was going to pull off the music for the party, and all she had was her cell phone. So I had her just little speaker system here, and she had a full-on, it was like a DJ was there. The people didn't know that the sound system was so small. It was really good. She was very pleased, and she was very thankful, and I made her take me out that night. Yeah, these are really, really good, and the only colors I've seen this in is black. I would like to have seen a white one. I like the color white, and if it came in white, I think I would put it in my office, because all my furniture in there is white. But yeah, this is a really good buy, and like I said, I had this for quite a while now, and it hasn't faltered. It comes with a 6-foot cord to plug it in just about anywhere. I don't really see a downside. It would be nice if this had like a surround sound type kit. It was more speakers and all plugged into your cell phone. That would be great. Probably have something like that. It also comes with its own adapter, you know. You will get a lot of play out of this. I use it just about every other day, and it really does its job. And it doesn't have to be very big. It really doesn't. This is a really good deal. And you don't have to turn it up all the way to get all the sound. And that's important to know. I mean, people may think that I'm saying, or who's ever talking about this is saying, oh yeah, it fills the whole room. But you have to turn it all the way to the max in order to do it. Nah, not with these. You just have to turn it up enough, and you'll still have some space left to turn it up even more. They're very good. I like them a lot. Yeah, these are the Gearhead Studio One speaker system. Yeah, the 2.1 studio speaker system. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.